Tesla chief Elon Musk became the only person in history to lose $200 billion from his net worth, Bloomberg reported. Musk, who recently acquired the microblogging platform Twitter for $44 billion, was the world's richest person when his wealth reached $340 billion on November 4, 2021. Following the acquisition, Musk was mostly occupied with Twitter, which resulted in the loss of shares of Tesla. According to Bloomberg Billionaires Index, Musk's wealth plummeted to $137 billion. Musk also sold many shares of Tesla throughout the year. According to the report, he sold at least $23 billion United States dollars worth of Tesla stock since April, with much of the money likely going into his acquisition of Twitter. At present, Musk's stake in his SpaceX, at $44.8 billion, exceeds his approximately $44 billion position in Tesla stock. However, Musk has dismissed concerns about Tesla and has continuously criticized the Federal Reserve for raising interest rates. Tesla is executing better than ever. We don't control the Federal Reserve. That is the real problem here. He tweeted on December. What are your thoughts about Elon Musk's great fall in his net worth? Share those as comments.